Hello human bodies. I'm King Halder, your teacher. So today I'm gonna show you how to download and install Qbasic for Windows 10, 64-bit and other OS too. At first open your favorite browser and open this link from the video description menu. Now scroll down a bit and there you need to complete the reCAPTCHA and then click here to continue. After that it will redirect you to the next page. Now wait for a few seconds then scroll down a bit and click on get link button. After that it will redirect you to the new website. Now click on the download button and then it will open a new web page. Here you can see you can download Qbasic for Mac OS, Linux OS, and for Windows 32-bit and 64-bit too. I have Windows 10, 64-bit, so I will choose the fourth option. After clicking on it, the download will be start. Choose according to your OS. So the download is completed. Now open it and extract it. It may take up to 10 minutes for extraction process. Let's just wait now. Now let me show you the latest Qbasic. So, you can see the Qbasic is working without any issues. I hope my tutorial helped you. Before leaving, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to support this poor YouTuber. See you in our next video. Until then, goodbye my human bodies.